Hey friends, if you wish to disable Adobe AcroTray.exe from starting at startup, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, it's not very difficult. Actually, it is not even required in the sense that it usually works in the background unless a document is open. And the reason that this document is triggered is because that document may be uh, positioned to open at startup. But nonetheless, if you want a permanent solution for this, here's what you can do. Okay, search for task manager in the window search bar and open the task manager. Now in the task manager, okay, let it load. You can go to the startups tab on the list on the left hand side, and if you find any process related to Adobe, you can right click on it and stop it. Now I don't have that, so I'll show it for the different one. You can disable that one. Okay, for example, let's say this one, right click and disable this one. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.